All right, guys, my favorite features of this convertible sofa bed. First of all, this brand is the one to get. I did product research a couple weeks ago, came across this one. Tons and tons of people are buying it and giving it very positive feedback. That's why I went ahead and bought it. Probably the same reason you're going to do it. But I just love hanging out like this because I can invite my buddy up here and he can hang out with me. So that's definitely one of my favorite features. It's also just comfortable. Like this is a different way of lounging in like a living room for me. Like it's a little lower, but there's a vibe with it. I can even I can put my like elbows up here. And it's nice when you have it against a wall. You also have an extra pillow. But super high quality. Um, it definitely has a lot of support. Um, I'm still like getting the hang of this, so like bear with me because I just got it. But basically, like on the side, so when you put this like in that upright position more, you've got the Velcro pieces on the side. That's what helps it stay as like a chair with that backrest. So you can put that back here. Now you get a little more padded, which is really nice. Or you can lay it all the way down straight up into a twin mattress position. So the versatility of it, the quality of it is insane. It's easy to see why people are getting it. Those are my favorite features. Get it.